It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question number 5. What is the value of limit as x approaches 2 function f of x squared minus 5? Okay, let's say x approaches 2 from left hand side. Then what about x squared? X squared approaches 4, right? But is it from left hand side or right hand side? You know, this x value right here is a little less than 2, right? So if x is, let's say this is 1.99, then 1.99 squared, that's a little less than 4, right? So this x squared approaches 4 from left hand side. Does that make sense? Okay, what if x approaches 2 from right hand side? Then x squared approaches 4 from right hand side, right? If x is value, let's say this is 2.01, then x squared would be little greater than 4, right? Because 2 squared is 4. So here we have x squared minus 5, right? So x squared minus 5 approaches 2. You know, what we have to do is we subtract 5 each side, right? So 4 minus 5, that's negative 1. So negative 1 from left hand side. You know, x squared minus 5 approaches, negative 1 from right hand side, right? Okay, so as x approaches negative 2 from left hand side, x squared minus 5 approaches negative 1 from left hand side. As x approaches 2 from right hand side, x squared minus 5 approaches negative 1 from right hand side. So as x squared minus 5 approaches negative 1, as x squared minus 5 approaches negative 1 from left hand side, the function approaches to 0, right? As x squared minus 5 approaches negative 1 from right hand side, excuse me, it approaches 3, right? So what is this limit value? This limit value doesn't exist. That's D and E, because the left-hand limit and right-hand limit is not equal to each other.